Hey cookie lovers! So I planned a unicorn spa party for my daughter. The unicorn was her idea. And I'm going to share how I made rainbow unicorn and little spa girl cookies. Starting off, we have an undecorated unicorn head. To flood this cookie, I am using one piping bag that has an outline flood consistency. If you have a dehydrator, go ahead and pop this cookie in there so it can get a nice shine over. On the horn, I drew some diagonal lines with an edible marker, and using the same icing as I did to flood the head, I'm filling in alternating sections on the horn. Now I'm doing these alternating sections so these areas don't flood together. It's good just to wait, and once the first section's dry, go back and fill the other. At this point, you should let the unicorn dry overnight. I made 3 different color icings for the unicorn's mane. Make sure these icings won't flood. You want them to be a stiff consistency to hold the shape piped. Check out my video on royal icing consistencies if you need help. I'm just rolling each color royal icing up in a saran wrap. And I'm going to fish it through my star tip. Using an edible marker, you can draw on the unicorn's face. To color the horn gold, I'm mixing a little gold dust and vodka and painting on the horn. Here we have a rainbow cookie. I'm using an outline flood consistency, and I am filling in alternate rainbow stripes, just like the unicorn horn. Let the 3 stripes dry before going in between. Sadly, the camera died as I was doing my rainbow cookie, and I don't have how I added clouds, but I used a thick white icing like what was used for the unicorn's mane. And I just did a swirling motion to pipe on clouds, just something to give it a little texture. Next, on to my favorite cookie, is our Spa Girl. I drew my design on the cookie, and it's all about completing this cookie in sections. I used an outline flood icing again. Now before drawing on this cookie, dry it overnight. For the green mask, I wanted texture, so my icing was a little thick. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The girls went crazy over these cookies and were really little divas during this party. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.